Hey everyone, my name is Heather Havenwood and I'm an entrepreneur. I've been working from home for many years, and I'm going to be talking to you today in this video about Zoom, but more importantly, how you can actually have a pretty good environment when you're doing and what to do and how to be on camera. Yay! All right, so let's get started. So the first thing to do, all right, because I do a lot of podcasting, so these are basics. The baseline is to at least have headphones. You can use the headphones that you got, with the actual mic. Okay, you can plug them into your computer. And the reason why it's important to have headphones with a mic is you don't want to start the reverb. If you actually use your computer mic and computer speaker, it can create reverb. You can also, anybody at home, the door slamming, a baby crying, whatever, you could hear all of that. So you want to do is you want to create a closed environment. That's why I have Next Level is a microphone like this. So with that, this is a microphone and I have headphones. So not microphone and I can hear through the speaker. No. You want to create the closed loop. One, if you are let's say a lawyer or a doctor, you don't want everybody to hear because there's a confidentiality conversation. But more importantly, it doesn't create that reverb and background noise over there on the other side. You really want to make sure you create that closed environment so people can actually hear what you have to say. Okay, that's really cool. This is a Yeti. They're about $99 on Amazon. You can also get them at Best Buy. It's a USB, so it goes right into any computer. You don't have to have a mixer or anything like that. It's super simple. And then these are headphones. These are what I call regular headphones. Check it out. See, these are like really basic headphones. They go at the bottom. They go at the bottom here. Okay, just like that. All right. You want to have some lighting on you. Okay, the worst thing you can do when you're in a video conference is that people can't see your face. They can't see you. So if you notice I'm looking up and down, this actually right here is the screen, but right here is the mic. You want to have the camera. You want to have the camera pretty close to you so that you can see quickly like that. All right. Now, the other thing to know is on Zoom, you do have background images. So you can take your mouse here at the bottom, and you can actually hover where the video is. And there's a little arrow that looks like that. You can click on it, and then you have choose virtual background, right? Super fun. So if you really just want to feel like you're in an office space, then by golly, you can do that. I don't have a green screen. That's why you have some weirdness here. But it creates some different environment. Sometimes we're not set up at home for having a great environment in the background. So we want to maybe use the virtual spaces, because if you have some really weird backgrounds, you want to look professional. People don't want to go, oh, look, I'm looking in your house and it looks strange. So you can choose some fun stuff. There's one. I also have one for my company, because why not? That's my brand. By the way, this is Pepe. Welcome. This is my dog. Not my dog, but my neighbor's dog. I hope that helps you guys. I'm going to go back to virtual settings and go back to none. Some other little features that you can do with Zoom to make things really easy is you can have what I call it's basically an ID that's yours, like you own it. It's kind of like a domain. So for me, I have a custom domain. You can go into the settings. I can do another video on that. And then what I did is I went to my website, okay, and I did what I call a redirect, so that no matter what's happening, if hey, let's jump on Zoom, I don't have to go create a brand new link every single time. There's some things you can do for security purposes to make sure not everyone could just pop in. Okay, I can go into that. It's called the waiting room. So I just want to do this quick little video for a lot of you who are lawyers and doctors and things like that. You want to create an environment where it's, people can see you and they can see your eyes, see your face. You also, last thing I'm going to do is people don't know how to frame themselves on camera. Here's a little trick. You take your hands like this. Okay, mine's a little too big. Take your hands like this. So mine's right there. And then you take 3 fingers. So you should have no more, no less than this. You don't want to have yourself way down here, like cut off. So 3 fingers at the top of your head, and then what I call the chest, or the girls, it's called the bra line, right? The bra line, right? The bra line and the top. This is what I call the framing. This is the frame that you want to have when you are on video, okay? It's just the best way to feel people can connect with you. You don't want to have it like this. You don't want to have it like this and only see your chest or something. This is truly the best way to film yourself. I hope you enjoy this. Bye.